drilling out for custom shelving. Next video will be a custom shower door right here. Grab this shit. Okay, so what we do is we got these baskets right here. These baskets go in the 2-hole. And there's one that goes right here. And all those holes are specifically marked. There's more baskets. Let's see. Then we got our back clips that go like this right here. My partner's supposed to be in here demonstrating, but I guess I will. So what you do is you put all these little clips in. Alright, partner come back, so we're going to do a little walkthrough. He's going to demonstrate. Those right there are the baskets. Those are the side anchors. And these are the back clips. This is kind of what they look like. So you just stick them in there. Pre-drilled holes. Go ahead and nail a wall, and then you're going to hang the shelf, and then we call that a video. Then we got our driver, just for driving in the nails. That one's on a stud. So then you gotta grab the hammer. These are our hammers right here. When you get to a stud, you gotta and then we're supposed to be this shelf right here. Different. He goes through the thing instead of the drive. We're going to show you how to do brackets. Any shelf over 38 or 36 inches gets a bracket. Show this bracket, then we can cancel the show. I'll show you the shelf going in. Alright. Second shelf going in, and just pop it down in the back drive clips. Make sure you're in your basket. Grab another bracket.
It's going to get 2 on each one.
It's going to get 2 on each one. 25s.
On each side.
25. Alright. So, our wall wall's just over 76, so we're gonna go 50. Go 50. Doing it 25. And what you do is you grab your drill. Another shelf on it. Sorry, what you're doing over here is you're getting another shelf over here. Be another shelf right there. Another shelf right there. That shelf there. That shelf there. That shelf there. And this is the master bedroom closet. Yeah, these little guys right here. These little guys right here go on the end caps. Yep. Grabbing a basket. Once he gets them brackets on, divide the wall by 4. Put some brackets on. Show you how to mount the bracket. Conclude this video. Getting our docket. You use my drill. It's got the little size drill bit. Make sure your bracket snaps in. Pre-drill your 2 holes. Make sure your brackets are level. There it is. Drive those in. And that's how you install custom shelving. Thank you for watching.